Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore machines built for real-world riding. In this video, we take a close look at the 2026 Yamaha TW200, a legendary dual-sport motorcycle that continues to stand out for its simplicity, ruggedness, and go-anywhere attitude. Designed for riders who value reliability over complexity, the TW200 remains one of the most unique bikes in Yamaha's lineup. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 stays true to its iconic design. Its chunky, oversized tires immediately grab attention, giving the bike a bold and muscular stance. These fat tires are not just for looks, they provide excellent stability on sand, gravel, mud, and rough trails. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and compact body make the bike easy to control, whether navigating city streets or exploring off-road paths. Powering the 2026 Yamaha TW200 is a reliable 196 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This motor is tuned for smooth, predictable power delivery rather than high-speed performance. It pairs with a 5-speed gearbox that feels simple and durable, perfect for beginners and experienced riders alike. The engine's strength lies in its torque at low speeds, making hill climbs, trail riding, and daily commuting effortless and stress-free. One of the biggest strengths of the Yamaha TW200 is its confidence-inspiring ride quality. The low seat height makes it accessible for riders of all sizes, while the wide tires provide exceptional balance on uneven terrain. The suspension is designed for comfort and control, absorbing bumps without feeling too soft. Whether you are riding on broken roads or off-road trails, the TW200 remains calm and stable. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 focuses on practicality. It features a simple analog instrument cluster, strong steel frame, and minimal electronics, which adds to its legendary reliability. The bike is known for low maintenance costs and long-term durability. Its fuel efficiency and robust build make it an ideal companion for daily use, adventure riding, or rural commuting. The Yamaha TW200 is perfect for beginners, adventure lovers, and riders who want a dependable dual-sport motorcycle without unnecessary complexity. It's ideal for those who enjoy exploring backroads, trails, and everyday riding with confidence. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 proves that simplicity never goes out of style. With its unique design, reliable engine, and unmatched versatility, it remains a timeless choice in the dual-sport segment. For riders seeking freedom, durability, and fun, the TW200 continues to deliver exactly what Bike Shift loves to highlight.